All right, let's talk about this Incra Precision T-Rule and why you need to get one of these. I'm not sure if you want this one, although I love this one, but you need to have one of these in general. This is going to give you precise measurements where you're not going to be off, and it's perfect for finer woodworking. Let me show you how to use it. Basically, you're going to go ahead and take this straight edge and put it up against your wood, and then whatever measurement you need to make, let's say it's going to be a cut of 50 here. You're going to take your pencil and you're going to go ahead and put it into the slot. Now, there's various sized slots here, and then you're going to go ahead and make a mark. So let's just quickly do this to show you. I will, I'll do the 40 mark there. There you can see that I have a nice line. I'll go ahead and do that again for you. Let's go ahead and just start with up here, and we'll just go ahead and put it in the 80. And then we'll go ahead and place it in the so you can just place it here in the 70. You can do this any way you want, but just for demonstration purposes, you can see that gives you a perfectly straight edge. I already did one earlier with the 40. Here's at the 70. So again, for fine woodworking, man, there is no better way to get a precise, even line.